All right, we're going to do the most difficult thing in this whole project that we got to do, and that is register the roofs. What I mean by registering the roofs is the way these roofs go on here. You got this piece right there. It goes like that. This piece here goes here. This piece goes there. All right, now why do we have to register the roofs? Because of this. Look at that. Can't have it be like that. All right. Like this guy. Oh no. Oh crap. How are you going to get him on here when you want to show him? You can't. Got to be registered. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the easy one. We're going to do the easy one first. This guy here has to go up against this. And what we need to do is just put in like 3 points of contact. And the 3 points I think we're going to put in, we're going to put one here, one, and we can go back here. That'd be 2. That'd keep it from going this way. Will it keep it from going like that? No, it won't. I wish there was a way, and there is. I think we can carefully get our finger in here and do one right there. Right over. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's a window on the side. Okay. You got to see that. All right, so what we're looking at is there's a window on the side here. We're going to make this window. But what we can do, we'll put registration right above this doorway. And right above that, that's supposed to be a garage door. Now, if any of you have, like, researched Fargo National Cemetery building, there's a video of an architect's rendering of this. It doesn't match up the way it's supposed to really work, because this is supposed to be where a hearse drives in and drives out. That's, in theory, what it's supposed to be. So, what we can do, though, is what if we do registration? What if we do it like this? Okay, so we got to get this guy up to here. All right. So, if we put one in right here, and right in this doorway right there, above the, kind of above that doorway, and then right above this back garage door, we can get this guy to stay right where he needs to stay. All right, so for that, we're going to need 3 pieces. All right, and we don't got, this is all the styrene of this type I have left. I've got no more, so I've got 2 pieces, and I'm going to cut off 1 more, and we're going to do a 3-piece registration of this roof. So we're going to take the styrene, and we're going to take our flush cutter, and we really only need about that much, right? Okay. Now, what we do need is our goop. And I've already, the scoop is getting down to the end. So what I've done is I've already squeezed them out. So we got fresh goop. We need the freshest stuff we can get. And how are we going to do this? We're going to weight that down, aren't we? We have to. We must weight them down. So we better grab our guys, right? You know, our regular guys that we always use for stuff like this. We need to get our guys like that. We need to get our regular guys out, okay? So, but they don't have to be on right yet. What we need to do is we've got to get registration in here. All right, let's roll up our sleeves and let's take some goop out of our glass, right? With a little bit like that. Okay, we don't want goop to go everywhere, and we don't want this roof to stick. So we only want a little bit of goop on a little bit of the edge. Yeah. So here's the thing. Why are we using goop? Because if we screw this up, we can redo it. You know what I'm saying? So if I stick this guy... So if I put him on my finger like this, see if we can do this actually. But if I put them on my finger, oh no. Now I'm going to have to stick them on there. Alright, so then if I find him under here, where'd he go? He's under there. Okay, so I don't feel him. Where the heck did he go? Come on now. I know. Hey, you're under here. Where in the heck are you? Uh-huh. What are you, on the outside or what? Uh-huh. Oh, he was on the outside. Dang. So I'm going to back him up here. I'm going to wipe off that goop. He was on the outside because this overhang is huge. So he was right about, I need a little bit right about, just move him into place. And then we're going to get in here. Yeah, and then we're going to, oh no, damn it, babies. Stay on there. All right, so he is right there. Is that going to work? Is that going to be a registration? I want him straight up against his side. So I'm pulling him in, and as far as I can tell, that's our guy. That's our guy, gooped on. Now we're going to have to wait a little bit. And then the next one, okay, so he's down in there. All right, so the next one we have to do, we're going to have to come in from the side somewhere, and we want one above this door. We'll figure out exactly how to do that, and we'll put that guy in. We want that one there, and then one back here. And then that guy will be registered. It's weird because his roof is a little bit, it's warped a little bit if we put our guys in this. Roof is just a tiny bit warped, but that's to be expected with a resin print. All right, so there we have it. That's how we're going to do. We're going to register this roof so it stays in place where we put it, so we know where to paint. All right, so I'm going to take care of that, and then we'll come back and we'll see what happens.